Okay,
Right,
then. So we're all clear if you want to go straight out. Perfect. It's nice and smooth on the light surface, as you would in any other car. And once we get to the green flags, we can start to ease into it. Nice one. Start to ease into it here. Bring it over to your left now. Perfect. And the brakes all the way down. Nice one.
What's that telling you?
That's me, sorry.
You're beeping.
Leaning on things. Yeah, it's nice and tight straight away again. So this is the cross between sports car and luxury. It's quite smooth. It's also quite beastly at the same time. So it's the nice combination there, as you'd skip from your Land Rovers and Range Rover Sports and stuff like that. Luxury sport crossover. Nice bit of drop down there. It's got a nice little noise. What do you think, mate? Powerful?
Yeah. I like. It does respond.
Yeah.
It does respond.
It's got a nice little pickup.
I do like a car that responds. I don't. Like, if you have to thrash it, then it's like, what's the fucking point?
Yeah. Exactly. You want to have a long range.
Sorry, you'll have to excuse my language.
Sorry.
I think it's better to emphasise certain things with the word F.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Otherwise,
definitely.
it doesn't have the same
Oh
meaning.
no, definitely. 100%. Yeah, no. Some cars, aren't really.
I don't really like to interfere with the brakes too much.
Don't like to interfere with them.
No, I don't like. What I'm saying is, I like to let the car flow.
Okay.
Yeah. So, for example,
finding the sweet spot of speed before the corner, anyway.
Yeah, I just like to let the car flow because at the end of the day, so like here, I know they say braking here, but I'm going to brake and then just take off, and the car will run. The car will run its own.
Yeah, smooth. Very tidy.
Like it?
Like a luxury Rolls Royce drive. Smoothness is key though. Any style of driving, smoothness.
Even in dancing, you got to be smooth, right?
Oh, yeah.
Everything.
Yeah, even if you're drifting and the car's sideways, you got to be smooth with it. You wouldn't think, but yeah.
I think so. Yeah, you mustn't over brake.
Oh yeah, you don't want the nose on the floor.
No.
No, it makes it a lot smoother and nicer when you do it like this. Fair enough. So whereabouts do you live then? Are you fairly local?
In the grass.
Yeah. Are you fairly local to us then, or are you?
No, hell no.
No?
I'm like way away. I'm near Gatwick.
Oh really? Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's an
little bit of
10
drive then. Oh nice. Little bit of a drive then.
Sorry?
A little bit of a drive then.
Well, no, yeah. So, like, I went to the Watford Hare Krishna temple, which is what I used to do when I used to work near Elstree Studio. So I used to go there for the 7 o'clock arti, and then how many laps have we done?
We're on last one now.
Oh, is this the last one? Yeah. Right.
All right. So
I went there first,
right?
And then I came here.
Okay.
Because it's too bad.
Yeah. Oh, fair enough. Well, what we're going to do is we're just going to pull in this lane here. I don't want you to stop. As soon as the Lotus goes past, pull straight away again. As soon as he goes through, just go for it again.
Does it go for it?
Go for it again.
Should I overtake it?
Catch him out. Oh, so I'll tuck it in. Well done. And then if you can swing it into the pits for me.
Yep.
Next one's waiting for us. Nice one. Well done. Let's try and swing it in between the R8 and the Lotus here for me. Spot on.